All right, Bob, yesterday was beautiful. Today it's going to look really nice as well, and the next few days.
Yes, very summer-like over the next 4 days, and we have the change of seasons going on. We actually begin fall tomorrow morning, early, 2:21 a.m. So one more day of summer. Go out there and enjoy it. It's going to be very summer-like today. Temperatures about 10 degrees above normal. In fact, warm for 4 more days. So we continue the summer-like temperatures right into the start of fall. Nice weekend shaping up. Long-term computer models hinting at some cooler temperatures, but some of the longer-term models can't quite agree what's going to happen in the first part of next week. It could just stay kind of warm, but we're going to go with some cooler temperatures at least until we get some more computer model runs. We get a new run every 12 hours or so. We might have to revise that extended forecast, but that's the way it's looking at the moment. 69 degrees is our current temperature. Winds east at 3, humidity at 33%. Feels like temperature 69. We have 51 in Stanley. They made it down into the 20s this morning, so it was quite chilly up in our mountain locations. And McCall was in the 30s earlier, along with Chalice and Salmon. And Baker City also in the 30s earlier this morning. They're in the 60s right now. We're looking at a temperature forecast of 10 degrees above normal. Normal is 76. We have the potential of still seeing some pretty warm temperatures, 99 the record high for the state. Here's what's going on. We have a disturbance down here in the desert southwest in Arizona pushing off to the east. We have a southwesterly flow. There is a band of clouds from a weak little disturbance moving across Oregon, mainly affecting our northern Idaho panhandle with a few clouds, but our story here in the southern portion of the state, some warm temperatures coming up from the desert southwest. Got a low pressure system up there in the Gulf of Alaska. Eventually that will sag to the south, possibly affecting our weather first part of next week. But in the meantime, more of the same. At times we'll see some clouds move on through, like right there. And Wednesday, looking pretty much cloud-free. On Thursday, a little bit more cloud cover pushes in the afternoon for mostly sunny skies, and a frontal system starts to develop just to our northwest. Here's our tight view. At times, a few clouds for our east central mountains, a little bit more cloud cover Thursday afternoon, but that pushes on through, no precipitation. The story will be the temperatures warming up into the 80s today. We'll stay in the 80s for a few days. Here's tomorrow afternoon, right around 4:30, warmest part of the day. And again for Thursday, still a lot of 80s all across Snake River Plain. Here's what we have as far as our forecast then. Sunny and warm for Twin Falls, high about 85 degrees. For Sun Valley, a high of 77, sunny and warm. McCall and Cascade, you'll be in the mid-70s for today and mid-80s for the western end of the valley. Canyon County looking at some mid-80s as well, sunny and warm. And you guessed it, sunny and warm for Boise as well. Mountain Home especially warm at 88. 83 for our high in Boise on Wednesday, still in the 80s for the next 4 days. Then the beginnings of a cool down, at least that's what the computer models say at this point in time. Like I said, there's not a lot of agreement when we talk about Sunday and Monday. At this point in time, we're going with some cooler temperatures, but we might continue on with the warmer summer-like temperatures, but we'll have a better idea as we get closer. Right now we're going with 74 on Sunday, Monday a high of 70. That's the Legal Weather.